So welcome to what feels like day 8 and 9 million. Now, we had the amazing Andy, the electrician from Trail Group, who came to fit everything safely for us. These are our wicked swimming pool heaters, kindly discounted from Direct Pools, so that Lacoste can have a heated swimming pool all for herself. We have to keep her warm. Now Andy's fitting those gorgeous light panels. He said, let there be light. And there was. Don't they look wicked? I love them. Thanks, Andy. Now it was time to get the fiberglass done. So we had to clean out all the old stuff. Then we measured up all the new glass sheeting, got it all in position, ready to go. And obviously it was back in with the ventilation. So important to make sure that none of the animals get a whiff of anything. So we blocked everything up, rigged it all up to the door, and then cross your hearts, pray to the Zooniverse, guys. Off we go. We had to leave the new fiberglass to dry overnight, so we got about half hour's sleep roughly, then straight back into it the next morning, cleaning all of the silicone off of the window pane we removed, then back in and into position. Now, one of the problems, we don't think the silicone set properly, so we wanted to get it really, really tight and as thin as possible. So Tom had this genius idea to create a rig with glass suckers so that we could pull it right into place and keep it very, very tight to the wall into position. Right, get that mastic gun loaded, Tom. Here we go. The dreaded silicone moment. Now the glass is very, very thick and very, very heavy. So we used the strongest load-bearing mastic that we could find for the inside with the contact of the glass to hold it in place. And then once that was in place, we went round the outside with an aquarium grade silicone. So it's all nice and safe. Now into position with the viewing window. We then attached it to the suckers on the rig to pull it really tight into place and give it a bit more support. While that's drying off, let's get to it and get that astroturf in place. I'll tell you what, this stuff weighs an absolute ton. So we had to roll it all out and then we're going to cut it all into place and secure it. Thomas must have been in the gardening spirit because he then started to fix all the plants and we admired his brand new hairdo that he doesn't know about. While he was doing that, Aaron the boy had a little bit of a lay down pretending he was an alligator. Look at him, what a star. Bob got on with the painting and I got on with the decorating. Well, my darlings, I come to you from inside Lacoste new enclosure. That's enough peeking. Don't peek. Don't look at my nail. So my lovely boys from Trail Group have gone. I think I might start crying. Like, we've totally trauma bonded this week, and they're like actually become my family now. Honestly, we've like been together almost 24 hours a day for the last 10 million days or however long it's been. And yeah, it's a bit quiet and boring without them. I don't know what to do. But they've just been amazing, and I haven't got the word. Look, I'm getting emotional thinking about how much they've done for us and how amazing they are. So basically, we've refitted the window and they've refiberglassed it. It's all clean and beautiful and it looks really, really great now. There's not a lot we can do. It needs to set for 24 hours. Everything else has been done. There's probably going to be like the odd snag here and there, but you know, you probably don't notice that until it's time. I've been cutting in the the astroturf for her brand new turf that she's got. So yeah, tomorrow just going to spend finishing off decorating and doing little finishing touches. Then lunchtime tomorrow we will be filling up again. We're going to try and fill up, and this time the Zooniverse, me and Zooniverse have had a good old chat, right? And it has promised me that it's not going to leak again, and we've nailed it. So hopefully the Zooniverse will stick to its promises. So the next update you see will either be me laughing or crying. But yeah, thank you everyone once again for all your support. I can't even talk about Trail Group because they're literally making me cry because I just love them so much. So thank you, Trail Group. Like, I literally can't talk about them, it's ridiculous. I'm not that sort of emotional girl, I'm not. But they're just most incredible, wonderful people. I'm lost for words, so yeah. Anyway, I'm very exhausted, very tired, my body's totally broken, I'm not very well, and I'm not used to doing much physical stuff anyway. Which I haven't done loads. To be honest, I've hardly done anything, but even a little bit's a lot. But anyone with fibromyalgia knows where I'm coming from, right? Yeah, so it's emotional, it's exhausted beyond belief and overwhelmed with gratitude. Look, what is squish, 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 what is this? I'm not used to this. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude to Trail Group, to Oazi, for the discount on the heaters, they're amazing. To every single person that has helped, has contributed, and to all of you at home that have supported us. And I've loved reading every single message. Rob's loved the team. We've all loved having you along this crazy journey with us. So thank you so much. We love you. And stay tuned. We'll be back to just pure animals soon again. But it's been great. Bye.